In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Luba 3 all-wheel drive. This is very exciting as this is one of the first products of its kind. It's tri-fusion, so it uses 360-degree LiDAR and vision and RTK. So it combines those three navigation methods for incredibly accurate navigation in your lawn. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So for the charging station assembly, we need the charging tower, the base plate, 6 Torx screws which are supplied, the cover that clips onto the top of the tower, the power supply, and then the screwdriver, and we'll need that on the Torx end. So the tower just slots onto the base plate here. You can see you've got a molded indentation that sits in nicely. Then we just need to turn that over and secure that in these 6 holes. And it's that simple. Now that the tower is fitted to the base plate, you just need to clip on the top cover. So you just line up the tabs with these holes here, push it in place, and you should feel that click. And then the charging station assembly is complete. Next, we'll assemble the robot. We'll start by putting the side guards on. Now, for this part, I recommend using the top section of the packaging to rest the robot in upside down. You do not want to turn the robot upside down and have it resting on the LiDAR module because that could potentially damage it. So, instead, we'll just take the top section of the polystyrene and lay the robot down like so. And it's supported with no risk of damage to the LiDAR module. Next, take your side guards. As you can see, you've already got the screws in them. So all you need to do is just line those up with the holes on the chassis and then tighten them up with the Torx end of the screwdriver. After you've fitted the side guards, then you want to turn the machine back over and fit the bumper. So, at the front of the machine, you'll notice there is just this small dangling cable. That fits to the bumper. So you just push the connection in, like so. And then line up the 2 arms of the bumper. And then you'll just want to give that a firm tap to seat it inside the machine. Once the bumper is in place, we just need to secure it with the screws that are supplied. So you get a pack of 4 screws and they're taped to the bumper. You only need 2 and they are secured using the Phillips head end of your screwdriver. So they just go in the holes either side of the bumper as indicated by the yellow sticker on the bumper itself. One quick note about the bumper, it is possible with enough force to fit it the wrong way around. You just need to make sure that the LED indicator on the bumper is on the top. Next, we just need to take one of our safety keys and insert that into the back of the robot. We really hope you found this video helpful. If you want to leave a comment for us, or if you've got any questions to ask, please do. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and thank you very much for watching.